So here I have 3/4 of water, lukewarm water. I already did the measurement with my cup here. This is the cup that I used. So I already did the measurements and I already put them in these bowls. So I have the 3/4 of lukewarm water. I have here a 1/4 of sugar, 3 cups of flour, which I already showed you the cup. And I have 1 fresh egg that we're going to beat to make it smooth so we can mix it in the mixture. I have here my yeast. It's called quick rice instant yeast. I have here my nutmeg. It's already grounded. I'm going to need a teaspoon of that. And I have here beside it, I have my teaspoon of salt that I already measured. I'm going to use that same measuring device here to measure the nutmeg. So here I go. And again, I have my clean bowl that I'm going to mix everything in with my wooden spatula right here. So again, we have the wooden spatula and the fresh clean bowl. I have my salt, my nutmeg, my yeast, the egg, my flour, my sugar, and my lukewarm water. I'm going to add the salt in the bowl. As you can see, let me take off the spatula. I'm going to add my sugar over here. I have here my flour, as you can see. I'm going to pour it in there. So I tried to pour out the nutmeg from the container, and I had a little bit of it in there. So we'll just say that this is a teaspoon all together. I put them in there. Then I have my yeast here. The whole thing, 1 package, goes in there. Okay. I already beat my eggs, so it's all mixed together. So we're going to add that in a few minutes. I'm going to mix all these together, all the ingredients that I added. So then you're going to make a little kind of like a hole in between the bowl here. Okay. Take your egg. You're going to put it in the middle right there. Okay. This is the lukewarm water. You're going to add that also in there. Okay. You're going to mix it all together. You can use your hand if you want, but I usually use the spatula. So now this is covered now with the cling or the plastic wrap, whatever you call it. And we want to make sure that this rises so we can get a double rise. Because we have the yeast in, we have to get that process going. So what I usually do is I have to keep it in a warm place. So I usually put it in my oven here. Right now, then I just came to check the oven, and this is how it looks like. So it has really risen up a little bit. The plastic wrap off so you can see it. It has risen up quite a lot, almost to the whole bowl. So I'm just gonna mix it a little bit before I start frying this. The liquid is really warm, so it'll be easy to rise up very quickly. So there again, you're gonna make your hand It's in a bowl and drop it in. Okay? Another one. Quickly drop it in. Next one. Quickly drop it in. So 4 at a time I'm making right now. Okay, so you just keep turning them so you don't burn it. So make sure your oil is really hot. So that way when you drop in the Bofrot, it rises up quickly right away. And usually it doesn't take that long to cook. Okay, so you just keep turning. All over. All right, and then we're gonna take them out. This is how it looks like. Okay, very yummy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy it.